Rodent damage often starts where you cannot see it. That is what makes it easy for homeowners to miss early warning signs. You may hear light scratching in a wall. You may notice a few droppings in the garage. You may find something chewed in storage. At first, it may not feel like a major issue. But with rodents, the bigger concern is often what is happening in the hidden areas of the home. Rodents can move through attics, basements, crawl spaces, garages, utility areas, wall voids, and storage spaces. These are areas homeowners do not check every day. And because these spaces are quiet and protected, rodents can stay active longer than expected before the damage becomes obvious. For a homeowner who has invested a lot into their property, this matters. So when rodents get inside, the concern is not only the pest itself. The concern is the damage they can cause before you realize how far the activity has spread. One of the most common areas rodents can damage is insulation. They can tear it apart, pack it down, contaminate it, or use it for nesting. Damaged insulation may affect comfort, cleanliness, and energy efficiency. The frustrating part is that this kind of damage is usually hidden until someone checks the attic, crawl space, or another protected area. Rodents can also damage stored items. Boxes, holiday decorations, fabric, paperwork, keepsakes, and seasonal items can all become nesting material or chewing targets. Many homeowners only discover the problem after opening a storage area and realizing something valuable has been damaged. Another concern is wiring. Rodents chew because their teeth continue to grow. That means wires, plastic, rubber, wood, and other materials can become targets. Wiring damage is not always visible right away, but it can lead to serious repair concerns if ignored. This is why early inspection is important. A rodent issue does not need to look extreme to be worth checking. In fact, the best time to inspect is before the damage becomes visible, before activity spreads, and before repairs become more expensive. Some warning signs to watch for include scratching sounds in walls or ceilings, droppings in the garage or basement, chewed packaging, nesting material, small openings near the foundation, gaps around utility lines, damaged weather stripping, or unusual odors in enclosed areas. You may also notice activity near pet food, bird seed, stored food, or cluttered storage spaces. Rodents look for warmth, shelter, and easy access to food. Once they find a way inside, they may continue using that same entry point unless it is found and addressed. This is where many homeowners get frustrated. They clean up what they can see, but the signs come back. Or they hear noises for a few nights, then assume the problem is gone. But if the entry point is still open, the home may still be vulnerable. A smart approach is to find out how rodents are getting in, where they are active, and what areas may already be affected. A professional rodent inspection can help identify possible access points around the outside of the home, including foundation gaps, garage doors, vents, siding gaps, and utility openings. It can also help check areas inside the home where activity may be hidden. Waiting until there is visible damage can lead to larger repairs, more disruption, and more frustration. An inspection gives you information early and helps you understand what steps may be needed to protect the home. At First Choice Pest Solutions, we understand that homeowners want more than a quick fix. You want confidence. You want reliable service. You want to know your home is being checked carefully and protected with the right next steps. Protect your home, protect your investment, and address rodent activity before hidden damage becomes a costly repair.